Hello everyone, welcome to Shama's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing very well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all what I eat in a day series. It's been long, it's been ages I haven't uploaded any video on my channel in this series like breakfast to dinner routine, and I was getting so many requests like Shama, where are you? Why are you not uploading such videos on your channel? So here I am with one another series like where I will share with you all what I eat in a day, and this video gonna be full of like breakfast to dinner routine. So let's begin with the breakfast first. So in a breakfast I had this cocoa oatmeal, and it's very easy to make and at the same time healthy. So here I have taken a pan and I'm adding almost 4 tablespoons of oatmeal. This is rolled oats, you can use the powdered oats also, whichever you like. And I'm just adding enough water to boil it, around 1/4 cup of water, that's it. And gradually I'll add more if I'll required. So here I'm adding more 2 or 3 tablespoon of water, and I'll just boil these oatmeals in this. And next I'll add some cocoa powder in this. So I'm adding about half tablespoon of, and we'll mix it really well. Cocoa powder is good for your health. It's just not like another chocolate it's an alternative of chocolate, and it's very good when you are on weight loss journey. So it's done. It's very easy. I'll just keep it aside so that it will uh, mix together with oatmeals and cocoa all together. And after some time, like after 5 or 6 minutes, I'll just take it in a bowl. I will top it with few things. So first I'll add milk. So around 1.5 tablespoon of milk I'm using here. And for sweetener I'm using maple syrup. If you want, you can use stevia or honey, or even you can go for sugar if you want. So I'm just using maple syrup here. And next I'll add some chia seeds as usual. Like for breakfast I go for smoothies or oatmeal, so chia seeds is must to have, like वो तो उसके बिना नहीं रह सकती. So chia seeds. And then I added some dates and apricots, walnuts here, and it's done. That was my breakfast. And next move on to mid snacks and lunch all together. Why I'm saying while I'll prepare my lunch, in the meantime I'll had my mid snack. So for lunch I'm making quinoa salad, and I'll use some kidney beans here. So this salad is super healthy and delicious at the same time, and it's my quick go recipe. Like when I'm not in the mood of making something, I just choose salads. And in my videos, trust me, you will see so many salads recipe, like in different versions. So yes, so I have taken 1/4 cup of quinoa, and I just boiled it with enough water. If water is enough, what you can do is you can drain if there is extra water, but I'm just taking enough water so that the quinoa will be fluffy and khila khila wala. So here I'm chopping some vegetables. So bell pepper, tomato, cucumber, some jalapenos, and some olives, veggies which I like most. If you don't like anything, you can just replace it. Like you can use carrot, cabbage, or onion, whichever you like. There is nothing specific like you have to use these only. So it's not the case. I have chopped the vegetables, and quinoa is like half boiled. Meantime, I'm just going to have my mid snacks because I was making this lunch around 12 p.m. and I had my breakfast around 10 o'clock, 9:30 or 10 o'clock. So I had my apple by that time. And quinoa is almost boiled. I added, I guess, a half cup of water because it was quite dry. And now I'm just move on to this salad. So I transfer all the quinoa here, and I'll add all the chopped veggies in. And yeah, how can I forget this kidney beans, red kidney beans? And yes, this salad I'm making for two, like for me and for my husband. So this is quite a lot. But what I'll do, I'll just transfer half in a one bowl. I'll not mix any salt and everything in that, because if you add, it release a lot of water and it doesn't taste good if you are eating quite late. So that's what I'm doing. I just added some spring onion in, and I'll just give a quick mix, and then I'll just half it. So this much I'm going to eat, and I love kidney beans, so I'm just adding whatever was left behind, so I'm just adding it in my quinoa salad, and I'll just give a quick mix. And next I'll add some spice in it. So as I don't eat any red chili or things, so I'm just adding salt to taste, and some the granulated what we say, garlic. I just love the taste. So and then I'll add some herbs in it. You can use whichever spice you like. You can even go for chili flakes or red chili powder or chaat masala, the way you want, but I'm just I find it quite tasty and easy, like just mix and eat. So next I added some drops of lemon juice, and next I'll add some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, sorry, and I'll just give a quick mix. Where I am, कहाँ गई मैं, बीच में कहीं चली गई. Okay, so I'm just mixing it, and I'll just transfer it in a bowl, and it will directly go into my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. So I'm just transferring it, and one bowl is enough. Like if you are having your lunch, and then you know that you're gonna have something in your mid snacks, like evening snacks, so this much portion is enough for lunch. So yes, and it was too yummy. Just give it a try. I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe. It's quite easy to make and filling. Next is my evening snacks, and it's summers here. Finally summers are here, so I was like, my watermelon is one of my favorite fruits, so just went to supermarket and just got this. So I'm having half bowl of watermelon, and I'll sprinkle some black salt over on the top, because it just increase the taste. After that, as you all know, like I have migraine issue, I cannot live without tea. So I'm just having tea before preparing my dinner and everything. I just missed the clip. I'm making enchilada. Oh no, I don't know how to pronounce it. I guess I'm pronouncing it properly. I just missed the clip. What I did, I just dry roast these mushrooms in oven, and these are what we say it. It's a cheese, which halloumi cheese it is, and I fried few mixed vegetables. Then I added mushroom in it and this halloumi, and I'll fry it until it turned more golden brown. And I'm adding some salt to taste. And enchilada is basically a Mexican dish, kind of wrap, but different, because we will bake it later on with some drizzle of cheese and sauce. So I'm preparing one sauce here. So this is market bought sauce, but you can easily make it home. I know it's not that healthy, but that day I was not in mood of having roti or sabji, so I just prepared this. You get in a pack, you get this sauce and this spice mix all together. You have to mix it and add some vegetables. If you are non-vegetarian, you can go for chicken or meat, whatever you like. I am vegetarian, so I'm just making in this way. I added some jalapenos here because I didn't add any green chili, and jalapenos give a that uh, quick spiciness to the food, and this is the main part of the Mexican dish. So yeah, this is how I'm doing here. I just mixed all the gravy which I prepared earlier, and will saute it for a couple of minutes until all the water dries up. So, and next I'll add some cheese, not a lot. You can go for a lot if you want, if you love, but I'm just adding 2 tablespoons here. Then these are the tortillas. These are corn flour tortillas, quite healthy. It's not that plain flour maida wala tortillas, it's a corn flour. And I'm just putting the filling which we prepared, and here I have taken this baking tin which I'm spraying with this butter oil. And I'm making with this filling, I'm making 3 tortillas, and the rest of the puree which remaining in the bowl, I'm just spreading on the top, so that when we will bake it, the tortillas will not get that dry or jalawa type. So that's why. And sprinkle uh, cheese on the top, around 3 tablespoons, not more than that, and we'll bake it for 15 minutes on 180-degree. And yes, it's done. It was all about my dinner that day. I know it was on quite unhealthy side, but someday you feel to have something different, because rose you cannot eat wahi same routine. डे यू फील कि अभी कुछ अलग खाना है करके, तो बस आई हैड दिस विद sauce, not sauce actually, one guacamole it made with avocado, and one is जो beans होता है उसको smoke करके जो चटनी बनाई जाती है वो. So yes, it's about my dinner. So ये था मेरा breakfast, lunch and dinner routine with you. I shared with you all guys. If you like such kind of videos on my channel, do let me in the comment section, and if you want me to make more videos, तो भी just let me know in the comment section and hit the like button so that I'll get to know that you are liking my content. And yes, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, stay happy, happy cooking and happy eating. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. And yes, बहुत लोगों को शिकायत हो जाती है कि आप हिंदी में वीडियोस बनाते हो एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, दैट इज़ वाई आई एम मेकिंग वीडियोज़ इन इंग्लिश. सो अगर कहीं पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा हो, कुछ हो रहा हो, बिकॉज यू नो मेरा जो एक फ्लो है वो हिंदी में वीडियोस बनाने का बन गया है, बट लोगों को किसी को समझ में नहीं आता, तो आई जस्ट थॉट कि ट्राई करूँ. तो अभी जो एक होता है ना रिदम नहीं आ पाता कभी कभार इंग्लिश बोलते में, तो मे बी इट विल gradually I'll do and I'll learn things and all. So this is the case. So if you like such kind of videos, इस तरीके का मेरा जो मैं वॉइस ओवर दे रही हूँ, do let me in the comment section, and जो भी suggestions हो I will love to read them. So yes, अब तक के लिए इतना ही. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.